Hello, everyone. My name is Lorena Inclan. I'm an anchor and reporter at CBS 47 and Fox 30 Action News Jacks in Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm so happy to be with you all today. Roboticist 2021. A roboticist is one who designs, builds, programs, and experiments with robots. Today is a very special day to showcase all the amazing skills of our very own roboticists right here at Shiva Robotics Academy. For 5 years, Shiva Robotics Academy has been engaging youth in STEM exploration. Shiva Robotics Academy introduces science, technology, engineering, and math to students from preschool to high school through fun, exciting, hands-on learning. Students gain real-world problem-solving experiences through a guided, global-first robotics program, helping them build a better future together. The 3 divisions of FIRST Robotics inspire youth to experiment and grow their critical thinking, coding, and design skills through hands-on STEM learning and robotics. Here is a video of the positive impact Shiva has created for the past 5 years at the Beach Blvd location in 30 public schools, daycares, youth organizations, after-school programs, summer camps, and in virtual classes halfway across the globe.